Hi everyone, this is Jameson Blatchford with C3 Technology Advisors. I have what are hopefully a couple of helpful tips on E911. That's the enhanced 911 rules and regulations for callers in North America. The first is Kerrys Law. That went into effect February of this year, and that states that callers must be able to dial 911 directly from your business or location and not have to dial 9, for example, to get an outside line. The second is Ray Baum's Act. That goes into effect January of 2021, which says dispatchable location information must be included in the 911 call, like floor or room number. Each state has slightly different regulations. My state of Illinois says for approximately every 40,000 square feet of business space, you must include dispatchable location information. If, for example, you have a massive warehouse and you're kind of struggling with how to identify callers, a helpful tip is you can arrange a call with the 911 Service Center or PSAP, Public Safety Access Point, and they can give you information on what they would like to see on 911 calls. This will help protect the safety and health of your employees and guests, and it'll also limit your business against litigation for non-compliance should the unthinkable happen. My name is Jameson Blatchford with C3 Technology Advisors, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.